artistas! This is Miss Paulise and welcome back to my virtual art room. I am so excited to see all the amazing art we're going to create together this year. Before we get started, do you ever wonder how artists keep track of all of their amazing ideas? Well, they use something called a sketchbook to help them. Let's learn more. Today, we will create and personalize a sketchbook or un cuaderno de bocetos. What is a sketchbook? ¿Qué es? A sketchbook is a book of sketches or un libro de bocetos. What is a sketch? ¿Qué es un boceto? A sketch is a quick, unfinished drawing. Un boceto es un dibujo hecho rápido y acabado. Why do artists use sketchbooks? ¿Por qué los usan? Artists use sketchbooks to practice and improve their skills, to draw and write their ideas, and also to plan their work. Hay muchas razones para usar uno. Here are some drawings from my sketchbook. On the left, you can see how I planned by quickly drawing and writing my ideas. On the right, you can see how I refined and practiced my work. Aquí hay otro ejemplo. In order to use a sketchbook this year, we'll first have to create one. Ahora voy a enseñarte cómo crear un cuaderno de bocetos. Before we get started, you're going to need 5 or more sheets of blank paper. Necesitamos 5 o más hojas de papel. Primero, take all of your paper and match the corners up so your pages are straight. Now gently press and fold in half. If you have some, you can also use a sheet of construction paper for your cover. Place the blank pages inside and you have your cuaderno de bocetos. Now you have some choices. Choose one of the following options to bind your pages together. Option 1 is using a rubber band. You'll need to make sure it's big enough to fit around your pages without folding them. Tiene que ser grande. Option 2 is to staple the edge of your papers together. You only need 3 staples, uno arriba, en el centro y abajo. For your third option, you'll need scissors. Make sure all of your pages are folded neatly and stacked together. You're going to cut a small slit about an inch from the bottom and another small slit about an inch from the top. Then, you're going to separate your cover from the rest of your pages. You're going to very carefully and slowly cut a thin line between your 2 slits. When you open your cover, it will look like a long rectangle in the center. Now, put your cover to the side and take your inside pages. Fold them upside down like a tent. Cut a line from the bottom to your slit. Turn it around and cut another line from the top to the slit. Don't cut too far. Next, you're going to open and roll your inside pages up gently like a burrito. Slide it through the opening of your first page. Gently unroll your pages. Ahora tienes un cuaderno de bocetos. The final option is to get creative. There are many other ways for you to bind your sketchbook. Look for things in your house that you can use, like hairpins, a sewing needle and thread, or any other creative ideas you can imagine. The possibilities are endless. Finally, once you've created your sketchbook, it's time to personalize the cover. Remember that it's your sketchbook. You can choose to express yourself however you want. Some ideas you might consider include writing your name, drawing a portrait, painting a pet, or even creating a collage. Remember that it's your sketchbook, so make it as unique and as amazing as you are. Well, I hope you enjoyed learning how to create and personalize your own sketchbook. I can't wait to see your pages filled up with all of your amazing ideas and drawings. Remember, we'll be using this sketchbook for the whole year, so don't fill up all of your pages just yet. Make sure to log on with your sketchbook in hand next week as we begin to plan and prepare our first project. Until then, Adiós, artistas.